Did you know that making the wrong food choices and focusing on the wrong approaches while managing diabetes could set you back for dangerous blood sugar, stalled weight loss, and even severe complications? For millions of people, the key to safe weight loss isn't just about eating less. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We are diving into the top diabetes foods for safe weight loss. Foods that would stabilize your blood sugar, burn fat, keep you feeling energized. You will also learn how two of the world's best diets, the Mediterranean diet and the Dutch diet, can serve as a foundation for lasting weight loss success. Stick around because these tips can transform your health starting today. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Dr. Oteng. But before we jump into the specific foods, let's quickly talk about the two diets that have consistently ranked as the healthiest for managing diabetes and even blood pressure and weight loss: the Mediterranean and the Dutch diets. The Mediterranean diet is rich in fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins like fish, and also healthy fats like olive oil and nuts. It is not about what you eat, but how you eat, focusing on the fresh, natural foods and cutting out processed items. It is fiber-rich, with ingredients that keep you full, reduce cravings, and also stabilize your blood sugar for the long haul. It's a lifestyle, it's not just the food. Even the way you go out, all is packed in there. Well, meanwhile, the Dutch diet, or the dietary approaches to stop hypertension, as it is known, is another game changer for diabetes too. It emphasizes low sodium meals packed with whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. The potassium and magnesium in these foods improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier to manage blood sugar. Both diets are powerful ones, but the real magic is the specific foods they include. Foods that not only help you manage diabetes, but also support a safe, effective weight loss. Let's dive into these top foods. And we're going to be hitting on the top 5 food groups that are very proven to be healthy for diabetics or for people with blood glucose concerns to lose weight. Let's start off with leafy greens. You may have heard it before, but these are natural powerhouses low in carbs and calories, but high in fiber, which helps slow down digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. They are also packed with magnesium and potassium, which improve insulin sensitivity, as I alluded to earlier. So those are the leafy greens, and you have the examples of spinach, broccoli, kale, and the rest. Add them to your meals as salads. You could do that as smoothies or even sauteed with a bit of olive oil. They are versatile, delicious, and incredibly filling, making them a perfect choice for weight loss. When you are full, you don't eat as much, and that's what they do because of their fiber content. Next, we have fatty fish like salmon, mackerel. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, a major contributor to insulin resistance. They are also high in protein, which keeps you full and prevents overeating. A simple grilled salmon fillet with a side of greens as a meal, that's both satisfying and blood sugar friendly. Plus, the protein helps preserve muscle mass while you lose weight. Next, looking at whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats. They're all also a fantastic choices for diabetes. Unlike refined carbs, these have a low glycemic index, meaning they release blood sugar into your bloodstream slowly. This helps, you avoid those dreaded blood sugar spikes. Quinoa for instance, is a complete protein packed with, fiber, making it a fantastic base for meals that keep you full and energized. Number 4 on our list of foods is legumes. We can't go wrong with legumes. Legumes are an underrated gem for diabetes management. They are high in fiber and plant-based protein, both of which help with weight loss, by promoting satiety and stabilizing blood sugar. Whether you are making a hearty lentil soup or adding chickpeas to your salads, legumes are an easy way to pack in nutrition, and flavorful nutrition. And lastly, let's talk about berries, nature's candy, as we all say. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. They are also low in carbs compared to other fruits, making them a perfect choice for diabetics. Add a handful of berries to your morning oatmeal or even your yogurt for a delicious nutrient-packed meal to start your day. Now, it's not enough that you know the top foods. Let's talk about how to put them together into meals. A simple rule of thumb is to fill your plate halfway with non-starchy vegetables like the leafy greens we mentioned, a quarter with a lean protein source like salmon, and another quarter with grains like quinoa. The other trick is plan your meals ahead of time to avoid unhealthy choices. Yep, if you don't plan, you have planned to ruin your diet. So plan it with the veggies, proteins, and the healthy fats, all made into an effortless meal that you can just grab and go. Diabetes doesn't have to mean giving up on your weight loss goals. With the right foods and strategies, you can manage your blood sugar, shed unwanted pounds, and even feel your best. These things we are talking about are easy things to go. So which of these foods are you excited in, to add to your diet from now on? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel for more life-changing health tips. Together, we can take control of diabetes, and live healthier and happier lives. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out this other video about some of the healthiest diabetic snacks that you can use. Thanks for watching.